In this video, we'll start to add the actual content to our page. So far, we have just developed the basic code framework of an HTML page. By the time we're done with this short lesson, you'll have a real HTML page to look at in a web browser. Let's start by adding the title pair to your code. The title tag is a tag that always must go inside the head parent tag. We'll type the opening title tag and the closing title tag and the page title between the two tags. The page title is useful for your users, people who are looking at your web page in a web browser, to find the page within multiple browser tabs. It also helps search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo to better understand the content of your page. Next, we'll create a container using the h1 tag. This is called a heading tag. It is used to tell the web browser that the information contained between the opening and closing heading tag is used as an organizational indicator, or a heading. HTML has multiple levels of headings. There's an h1 tag, an h2 tag, an h3, etc. For now, we'll simply create an opening and closing h1 and include the content specified within step 2 of our exercise. We'll now introduce a new tag called the paragraph tag. It is simply the letter P surrounded by the less than and greater than symbols. Like most of the other tags we've discussed so far, the paragraph tag requires both an opening and closing tag. Between the tags, you'll include the content specified in step 3 of our exercise. We'll then do the same with step 4. Be sure to save your work. Finally, we'll look at what we've created so far in a web browser. We'll use Chrome in this example, but you can use whatever browser you are most comfortable with. Each browser may have a little different way of opening a local file. When I say a local file, it's called this because the file is currently saved locally on your computer. In the future, we'll save it and access your file remotely on a web server. But for now, we'll look at this just locally. In Chrome, you'll find your file by simply clicking Control and then the letter O using the Windows operating system. At that point, a file browser will come up. Find your file, open it, and you can see your finished work and your first web page. Great job. Once you're done admiring your work, you can close your browser and prepare for the next lesson.